everyone, it's Milky. Welcome back to my channel. Sorry for my lack of pastelness today. It's kind of getting to be autumn, and so I felt like being a bit more autumnal, so yes. Today I have a video that I'm really excited about, and it's a Blindbox unboxing. I don't talk about it much, but I really do love blind boxes, and like they were sort of my favorite thing back in high school and in middle school, but they were kind of expensive, so I could never buy them, but I still do love them. Although you don't always get what you want from a blind box, it's very exciting to like have it there and then open it up and, you know, hope for the one you're wanting, and then sometimes not getting the one you want but still getting something cute and then like being like, oh, okay, this is cute too. Anyways, I'm kind of rambling about blind boxes. I'm sure that you all know what blind boxes are. So to give a little bit of background, when I was in Boston, I would find these super adorable blind boxes in one of the shops there. They were the cutest thing ever, but I never really bought them because I was trying to, you know, not spend all my money. I always admired those blind boxes, and then recently the company that makes them, Pop Mart, they came out with a really cute bunny series that I bought like 3 of, and because I really loved the series. I didn't get any of the ones that I wanted, which was a bit sad, but after that I decided to get in touch with the company and see if maybe they were interested in working together. So mini disclaimer that the items were sent to me for free, but that the opinions are all my own, and I have bought from this company before and really liked their blind boxes, and so I'm kind of excited to share this video because I love blind boxes and I think theirs are some of the cutest out there, and I'm really excited that they wanted to work with me. So now that that backstory is out of the way, let me introduce Pop Mart, which makes the cutest blind boxes ever, and they sent me this absolutely adorable box full of blind boxes and also like stickers. I'll briefly go through the stickers because the blind boxes are kind of the main focus. But like there's this series with Laboo, which is some forest concert. What is here? These are like little postcards that are really cute. I might put some of these in my closet. Just various postcards from their various designs. They included a sweet little note that says, "Dear Julia, we send you this little gift with all our hearts. Hope you enjoy it. Happy unboxing to you with love, Pop Mart family," which I think is really sweet. I like when companies include nice notes. And also some more stickers here. Even more stickers. More stickers. What are you? I haven't really opened any of this, so forgive me for my surprise of things. Some more cute postcard things. This is another one of their character series. Super cute. And also this is a pop-up postcard, it says. But the main focus is the blind boxes. They very kindly sent me 7 different blind boxes. Some of them I chose out, other ones they just sent. I kind of just wanted cute things, and I think they definitely fulfilled my desires. So before I get too lost in all my ramblings, I guess let's open them up. I'll start with the one on top. This is from the Pucky series, and these are, I think, charging cables. The designs that you can get here are all really cute. I'm worried that it might not work with my phone because I don't have an iPhone. It does say that it's for iPhone and iPad. I can give it to my sister, but let us open that up anyways. I love the packaging. I'm such a sucker for anything that has cute packaging. I kind of can't resist it. And this is like space baby themed, I think, which is really cute. And I'm totally gonna butcher this packaging, which I feel bad about, but oh well. Inside, there's another layer of plastic for extra surprise. Let's see. Oh, it's really cute and kind of Halloween-y, which is suitable given that it's almost Halloween. Yeah, it has this little like kitty creature, and there's a little moon on the other end, on the USB cable part of it. That's so adorable. Oh, it's a shame that I can't use it for my phone, but I think my sister should be able to, so that's at least good. It's really, really cute. I normally don't like things that are such a bright color, but like the design is adorable, and it's a kitty, and it's Halloween-y, and I love it. Next, let's open this Explore Momiji series. All the designs in this are also quite cute. I'll maybe do close-ups of the boxes later so you can see the other options that are available in these. Oh, I feel so bad tearing into it. Oh, it's like a little, oh, that's so cute. Oh, she's a little pilot. Oh, that's really adorable. And I love the color scheme. It's so cute and pastel, and she just looks so sweet and happy. And she has like a little pair of wings strapped to her arms. That's really, really cute. I think the card on the inside probably had the character. Oops. So look at packet. Oh yeah, it's cute. Oh, and I get it because it's Explore emoji because they're like explorers, I think. Look at the other ones. I think they're all explorers, kind of. She's the most explorer-y of them all, and she is very adorable. And like the figures are really nice quality too. They have like a lot of heft to them, and the painting is nice, so that is good. Before I continue to the next ones, I'll say that you can buy their things on AliExpress. I think that's their main shop. I've also seen them in stores. If you're in the Boston area, they're in Newbury Comics. They have a lot of them there, and they're more or less the same price. I think in Newbury Comics they're a couple of dollars more expensive. They probably have them in other shops, but those are the places that I'm familiar with getting them. And on their AliExpress they have all the series, and you can also buy like full boxes so that you can get the whole set, which does end up a bit pricey, but I guess if you really love a certain series and you want to have everything in there, it makes more sense to buy it that way than individually. Moving on, let's do this Wedding Flower Girl next. I think this is the Molly series. I think this character's name is Molly, but they have a lot of really cute ones that are like flower girls, and then one who's dressed as like a butler, and its name is Princess Milky, or Prince Milky, which I think would be suiting for me, but we'll see which one I get. There's also a hidden edition. I've never gotten a hidden design, but who knows. Oh, she's cute! She has like a little veil. I think she's like the bride, or whichever one. I think there might be something else in here. Oh, that's cute. And there's also like a little tiny basket and flowers that you can make her hold. I just noticed that she's the one on the box. It's cute. I don't think I've ever gotten one of the ones that are like on the cover of the Blindbox. Let me see. Oh no, flowers are falling apart. I think that's okay. Oh, I think you just put them in the basket. I am silly. Oh, it's nice that they're separate. I hope I don't lose them. Oh, she's really cute. I love blind boxes that have like lots of cute details, like the separate flowers and the fact that the veil is kind of clear. She's adorable. Very, very cute. Also, sorry if I've said the word cute like 5 times already in this video. Probably even more actually, because that's how I am. Next up, let us do this Satyr Rory. I think it's pronounced Satyr. Satyr? I don't know. I love these. This is like Zodiac themed, so I'm really excited because I love anything that's Zodiac themed. Yeah, it's the 12 Zodiac signs and like Taurus, Aries, etc. So, let's see. I got Aries! I'm so happy! I'm not an Aries, but Aries is one of my favorite zodiac signs. My sister's actually an Aries, but I'm totally keeping this one for myself. It's so cute! It's just like a little lamb, and it has horns and like sparkly eyes, and it's so fluffy. Oh, I really love this one. It is Aries, right? So yes, this is Aries. That is good. Oh, and these also have a stand, I believe. So, maybe. I don't think that's a stand. I don't know, just a... I'll figure it out, but he's super cute, and the card that has him. Oh, this is adorable. I'm happy I got this one. Is this my favorite one of all of them? Probably, although they're all really cute, but I'm definitely glad that I got this one because he's like a fluffy little cloud. Next we have 2 of the Pucky series. There are Horoscope Babies and Winter Babies. I think I'll go with the Winter Babies first. When I was actually in Boston at Newbury Comics, I saw this one and I was so tempted to get it, but then I didn't. But I'm glad that I have it now because they're all really adorable and I love wintry things. They're all super cute. You can't see it. Again, I'll do close-ups. And there's so much fun about opening blind boxes, and like I've never opened this much. I feel so indulgent. This one's bright. I can already see from the plastic. Oh, he's so cute! It's so adorable. I love the like little fluffiness and the patterns on the dress. This would make a really cute Christmas ornament. Maybe I'll try to figure out a way to do that. What design are you? This is the Furry Baby. Super cute, very wintry and soft. Probably not my favorite of the designs, but actually it's still really cute. I mean, they're all adorable. Oh, there's one here who has a fox on its head. That's really cute. But I'm happy with this one too. I'm getting a lot of very blue things. Let's do the Horoscope Baby next. Oh, these are also like Zodiac themed, so I'm curious whether I'll get another Aries. Oh, you're adorable. It has little angel wings. Oh my gosh, what are you? This is the Virgo one. Oh, it's so cute. I can kind of see how it's Virgo because it has hearts, and I always see Virgo as a kind of romantic sign. Oh, that's adorable. I think this is probably like my favorite thing that I've gotten so far, maybe tied with the Aries baby. I love zodiac stuff. You can't go wrong with zodiac stuff in my book. And I love the little angel wings, and it looks kind of spacey and cute, and it's very, very adorable. I hope I didn't get lipstick on it. Super cute. And we have reached the end with the final one. This is from the Demu series. This is one that I was also kind of excited about because it's very cute. It's a fairy tale series, and they're all kind of foresty themed and super adorable, and I'm curious to see which one I get. Let's get into the final blind box. Oh, it's a little wolf! I think it's supposed to be like the big bad wolf from Little Red Riding Hood because it's wearing like a grandmotherly hat and a like apron. That's cute. It's definitely not one that I would normally go for, but like he's kind of adorable and fluffy looking. Not actually fluffy. Oh, I think he also comes with extras. Oh, that's cute. It's like a little fork and knife. Let me give him those. And cute. Oh, he's cute. I wouldn't mind if he ate me. And with that, the unboxing is finished. I'm really happy with all the items. Thank you so much to Pop Mart for sending them to me. I'm really happy that I could open some of your blind boxes, and I love them all very much. But my favorites are definitely these two little babies, because zodiacs, of course. So once again, if any of you are interested at all in blind boxes, I do suggest that you check them out. Their quality is really high, and the designs are super unique and super adorable, and they're definitely like collectible art. Ooh, let me get the ones to show you that I bought previously. So these were all from a series that's pretty recent that had super cute bunnies and like pastel stuff. Somehow I got none of the pastel ones, but they're all very cute, and they kind of have their own sort of magical fairy tale vibe going on to them, and they're all just super adorable. Like this one has kind of vaguely transparent hair and like a cute clear little ball of fire and like a blue gem, and like they're all super detailed and such nice quality. And again, I couldn't recommend these anymore. I've always been a big fan of their stuff, and so again, if you love blind boxes, do check them out. I don't think that you will be disappointed. I'll leave links to their shop down below, and probably also for all the blind boxes that I got in case any particular series suspect your fancy. Yeah, let me know which one was your favorite, or which series in general, and if you've bought from them before. Do you like blind boxes? Do you know any other nice blind box companies? Because I love blind boxes, and I probably have too many of them now. I need to find a place for all of these cuties. So, as always, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, feel free to do so. I would be happy to have your support, and also feel free to check out my Patreon for more fashion-related content and such. So, as always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a lovely, lovely day. Bye!